Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Bentley proximity key. This key was found for models starting from 2005 up until 2015. You will need a small flathead screwdriver so that you can open the case up. So if you push the small screwdriver on the side here, you have two clips, one on this side, one on this side. So that one will pop open, so you'll pop the front cover off open, and then again with the screwdriver just follow it through, and at the bottom you have another clip which holds it into place. Okay, I'll show you in a second. Is this one over here which goes into this gap here. Okay, you have the battery, in our case is a CR2032, and with the help of the same small flathead screwdriver, just push the battery out. Okay, it comes out like so, and please make sure you don't put the screwdriver too much in depth so you don't damage any of the circuits behind the battery. Okay, once the battery is out, replace it with a fresh new battery, and then please make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up. Okay, once that procedure is done, we will clip the case back. So first start with the lower part of the key and make your way onto the top. And it clips there, and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.